Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. What we are doing today is some fried chicken and hot wings. My kids love this very much during the lockdown because we couldn't get KFC, so this is what I made for them. My sister showed me how to do it, and so let's get started. What we need is we have some drumsticks. I have some chicken wings. I have 1 egg. And these are the spices I use. I use black pepper. I have garlic granules. I have onion granules. I have ground ginger and white pepper. And then these two is what I use, and that really tastes like KFC. I have this original chicken fry mix, and we have hot and spicy chicken fry mix. So this is what I use for the chicken wings, and this is what I use for the drumsticks. So let's get started. What I do first of all is I beat the egg, okay, and I try to add the spices onto the chicken. So that's the ginger. It's up to your discretion. Okay, so that is the onion granule, just a little bit. We have some garlic, just a little bit, and then we have some white pepper, just a little bit, and then we have, I like a lot of black pepper. More black pepper makes it much nicer. And that's, if you want to add a bit of salt, it's at your own discretion, but the fry mix is a bit salty, so you can just do it like that without salt. So try and mix these spices onto the chicken. Make sure it's mixed properly. And then what I'm going to do, oh, that smells good, really smells good. Guys, you have to try this. I know if you do this, your kids, it's for moms, your kids will really like it. My kids normally call it mommy's fried chicken, but I'll call it Nana's fried chicken. It tastes really good. So this is the egg. What I normally do is I add a bit of spice to the egg, the spice cream, because I like a lot of spice. So I add a bit of spice to the egg, just the same spice, just a bit of it. Okay, beat it up. What the egg does is that it makes it quite sticky, so that you stick onto the, the mix. So to be easier, I don't normally put the chicken in it. That's what we normally have to do, but I just pour it on the chicken. And then I'll just add it onto the mix. Right, guys, so using the original fry mix, I have coated the drumsticks with this fry mix. Okay, make sure it's well coated. Because of the egg, it becomes sticky, so it means a lot of them is coated on it. So we just coated all these with the fry mix, the original one, and then we are going to fry them. Normally it takes about 15 minutes, but if the drumsticks is quite big, maybe about 17 to 20 minutes will be okay. So I think my oil is hot enough. Let's see. Yes, very hot, which is good. So that should take about 15 minutes to cook. Right, guys, it's been 15 minutes and you can see that it's quite browned and the chicken is cooked. So we take them out. That's really nice, really nicely browned. And right, so we're about to fry the chicken wings. Right, so right now we are coating the chicken wings. This is the hot and spicy chicken fry mix. If you want it really hot, it's not that hot. So if you want it really hot, you can add some powder, some pepper powder, and then to be quite hot. But if not, just use it like that. I use it like that because my kids don't like a lot of pepper. So you mix it up as we did with the drumsticks. Make sure that it is really covered, and then we put them, trying to fry them. This one will take about 12 to 15 minutes. It's not as big as the drumsticks. Okay, so we just wait for it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Right, so guys, it's been about 12 minutes, and I think that the chicken wings is cooked. So we just take them out and then we try and serve it. It's nicely browned and it's crispy. Right guys, so this is known as fried chicken. We have some chicken wings and some fried drumsticks. You can serve it with chips. You can eat it with anything at all. It's just fried chicken. My kids love it with chips, and to make it much more healthy, the side we put broccoli on the side, which is quite healthy. So yeah, so this is a very nice meal that you can do maybe one Sunday afternoon. Just try it and you'll never go to KFC. I tell you, it's very delicious. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Make sure you put on your post notification so you can get notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching.